I'm going to show you how you can make $40 per day. Ngiye kukwereka uko wakorera amadolari 40 ku munsi. You will get paid $2 just for creating an account in FMCPAY, and you get the same amount if you refer your friend. Let me show you how. Iyo ufunguye account muri FMCPAY baguha amadolari 2. Iyo uyihaye mugenzi wawe nawe agakora account nabwo baguha amadolari 2. Ndaje nkwereke uko bigenza. Before I show you how you can make money in FMCPAY, let me give you a brief history about Binance because they have almost the same story. Remember to check in the description below. I will put my FMCPAY link and code for you. There you will find my WhatsApp group link and Pi network link. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thanks. Mbere yuko nkwereka uko wakorera amafaranga muri FMCPAY, reka mbanze nkubwire amateka make kuri Binance kuko byenda gusa. Wibuke kureba muri description nashizemo link ya WhatsApp group na link ya FMCPAY hamwe ni Pi network. If you bought $1,000 worth of Binance coin 7 years ago, here is how much you'd have today. Mu myaka 7 ishize, iyo uza kugura BNB z'igihumbi cy'idolari, iyi ni coin ya Binance, ndaje nkwereke ayubu wari kuba ufite. Shortly after launched in 2017, the Binance exchange created its own cryptocurrency called Binance Coin, BNB. At that time, Binance was newcomer compared to other exchanges, and its signature crypto was dirt cheap. Nyuma gato yuko Binance itangiye muri 2017, yahise ikora coin yayo cyangwa ifaranga ryayo ryitwa BNB. Icyo gihe Binance yari kirisha ugereranije n'izindi exchange, kandi ifaranga ryayo ryari rihendutse cyane. Things have changed quite a bit since then. Binance is now the world's largest crypto exchange, dwarfing the competition in terms of trading volume and weekly site visits. Binance Coin has claimed the charts and is the 5th biggest crypto by market cap at the time of this video. Ibintu byarahindutse cyane kuva icyo gihe. Ubu Binance niyo ya mbere ikomeye mu masoko acururizwaho amafaranga nkoranabuhanga. Ubu agaciro ka coin ya Binance BNB karazamutse cyane ku buryo ubu iri ku mwanya wa 5 mu bihumbi nka 20 bya crypto ziri ku isi kuri ubu ngubu. Let's find out what a timely Binance coin investment will be worth now, along with what the coin does and its current outlook. Reka noneho turebere hamwe ayo wari kuba ufite uyu munsi iyo uza kuba warashoye igihumbi cyawe cy'idolari ugura BNB. Binance Coin started with an initial coin offering, ICO, where it could be purchased using Bitcoin or Ethereum. Its earliest recorded cash price on CoinMarketCap comes on July 25th, 2017, when it was available for as little as $0.10. If you had bought $1,000 worth, you would have gotten 10,000 BNB. The current price of Binance is $694.91 per BNB. Your investment will now be worth over $6 million, $949,100. Ku itariki 25 z'ukwezi kwa 7 2017, washoboraga kugura BNB ukoresheje Bitcoin cyangwa Ethereum ku madolari 0.10, nakumva nta n'idolari yari yuzuye. Bivuzeho ku gihumbi cyawe cy'idolari wari guhabwa coin za Binance arizo BNB zingana n'ibihumbi 10. Reka ngutangaze sasa. Ubu BNB imwe iri kugura amadolari 698.9. Aya uyakubye na coin ibihumbi 10 ubona miliyoni 6 z'amadolari n'ibihumbi 949 n'amadolari 100. reka nyagushire mu manyarwanda wumve uko angana na miliyari 7 z'amanyarwanda na miliyoni 724 n'ibihumbi 869 n'amafaranga 351. Niba bibwiye ko nkubeshe ikorera ubushakashatsi urabibona. Bivuze ko ku gihumbi cyawe cy'idolari mu myaka 7 ishize cyakabaye cyarakugize umuherwe uyu munsi. Now, remember that history always repeats itself. FMCPAY is a new exchange and it has started the same way Binance started, and it is giving out 1,000 FMC coins worth $2 for free. I mean, when you create an account on FMCPAY. You are also given the same amount if you refer someone. Let's say you refer 20 people a day. That's $40 a day. Actually, you can make way more money if you refer as many people as possible per day. Amateka iteka ahora yisubiramo. FMCPAY nayo yaje nka Binance kuko igwa coin zayo 1000 zifite agaciro k'amadolari 2 iyo ufunguye konti. Ikakongera izindi coin 1000 iyo winjije umuntu. Winjije abantu 20 ku munsi wajya ubona amadolari 40 buri munsi. Sinzi niba ubibona ko wakwinjiza menshi cyane ashoboka bitewe n'umubare w'abantu winjije ku munsi. FMCPAY is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade digital securities and cryptocurrencies. The platform is based in the United States and offers a variety of features. It joined Twitter in August 2021 and is planning to launch its own blockchain in 2025, which is expected to improve performance, flexibility, and the user ecosystem. FMCPAY nk'uko nabivuze nayo ni exchange cyangwa isoko ricururizwaho amafaranga koranabuhanga, rikaba rifite icyicaro muri Amerika. Ryagiye kuri Twitter mu kwezi kwa 8 kwa 2021, rikaba riri gutegura gufungura blockchain yaryo muri uyu mwaka wa 2025. Now, let me show you something on my FMC account. Okay, as I said, let me show you my account in FMCPAY. So to start an account like this one, you need to actually click on my link that I shared in my description below. Click on the link, FMCPAY link. You will see even my code. Then you will start by creating your username, your password, and insert your email address because they will send you a code on that email. Then you'll be using that code to actually create your account. So after that, you will go to Google Play Store and you will download FMCPAY app. Then you will sign in using your username and password. Then start your KYC. So if you want to know how to start your KYC, please get in the group, your WhatsApp group. I will give you a video that shows you how to start your KYC and do it. So nashaka kubereka iyi ni konti yanjye. Ushaka kutangira gukora iyi FMCPAY, fata iyo link nashize muri description, ukandeho noneho ukore username na password. Password igomba kuba ifite imbaraga. Password ifite imbaraga iba ari password irimo inyuguti nini n'inyuguti ntoya, irimo imibare, ushobora kuba umubare umwe cyangwa imibare 2, irimo icyo bita special character, ni byatundi bita nka arobase cyangwa se akamenyetso ko kubaza, ni ibyo ngibyo. Numara kubikora, ubwo urahita ujya muri Google Play Store, ujye ku downloadinga FMCPAY application app yayo, uyidownloading. Numara kuyidownloadinga uhita uyinjiramo ukoresheje ya username wakoze na password. Navuze ko uri ukora username na password, ukanashiramo email. Iyo email niyo bakoherezaho code nayo wifashisha iyo uri gukora iyi konti. Ubwo iyo birangije rero uhita utangira, iyo wamaze kudownloading iyo app wamaze kwinjiramo, uhita utangira utangira gukora KYC. KYC rero niba uza kuza muri groupe, mfite video mbereka uburyo ki ukora KYC. So konti yanjye muri kuyibona ni iyi ngiyi, murabona maze kugiraho amadolari 21. Kubera ko jewe ninjiye mbere hashize igihe kinini ninjiye, iyo winjiraga mbere baguhaga amadolari 5, ariko ubu ngubu baguha amadolari 2. Urabona ko bagenda bigabanya, ubwo no kuyatanga nabyo bizagira babihagarike. So let me show you what you will do. So this is my account. So if you want to refer someone, you click here, referral. Click here, you click you click here, referral. Okay, then you share this link, referral link, and your referral code. Referral link yawe ni iyi. This is your referral link. You copy it. You copy it here. You click here on copy. Then you share that link. So nkuko nari mbivuze uza hano muri referral, hano noneho urabona hano handitse referral code na referral link, ukahita ukanda hano, ukanda kugira ngo ukopie iyo link, ukanda hano. Aha niho ukanda kugira ngo ukopie iyo link. Iyo link iyo ikopie ijyana n'iyi code muri kubona, babiri kumwe bitabijyana. Iyo umuntu ayinjiyeho code niyo ngiyo akoresha agatangira gukora. So nibyo ngibyo, that's it. That is all you need to do. Just please share it with as many people as possible. For example, you see mine, I have referred 185 people, you see. So when someone has done his KYC, you will see it is written waiting for review. They are still reviewing your identity. It takes like it may even take 1 week to be completed. You just be patient. But you will get your KYC. When you have got your KYC, it looks like this one. For instance, these people with unverified, they have not yet done the KYC. When your KYC was done successfully, when the system have finished verifying your identity, it will look like this. Let me show you how it looks like, how it will look like. You see, it will look like this, verified. So these people mine are verified. So nandi kuvuga kubereka abantu banje mfite nabo ngabo, iyo handitseho unverified bigaragara ko utarakora KYC, bisaba ngo uyikore vuba bishoboka rwose kugira ngo ubone amadolari yawe 2, kandi noneho utangire ubibwira abandi nabo kugira ngo nabo batangire nabo ubone amafaranga, baboneho amafaranga. Iyo rero wakoze KYC haba handitseho gutya waiting for review, haba handitseho amagambo y'umuhondo waiting for review. Nabonye bifata iminsi, ushobora gufata iminsi 3, 4, 5 n'icyumweru utarabona KYC, ariko iyo ikoze neza birakunda rwose. Iyo byakunze rero, wabonye KYC byakunze, birahinduka ikaba icyatsi, bakubwira ko yabaye verified. Iyo wabaye verified, murabona nk'aba ngaba giyewe bamaze kuba, uyu yabaye verified, uyu yabaye verified, n'uyu nguyu. Donc abangaba bamaze kurangiza KYC yabo, ubu nabo bashatse bajya babigira abandi bagakorera amafaranga. Ubu rero nibyo ngibyo. So next time I will make a video showing you how to actually withdraw your money. Ubutaha nzabakorera video. Actually I will talk with my upline, because he had already withdrawn some money. He will tell us how he did it. Nzababwira uburyo ki umuntu video y'ubutaha nzabakorera nzababwira buryo ki mushobora kubikuza no n'amafaranga ye, ukuntu bigenza ate kugira ngo abikure amafaranga ye. Upline wanje yarabikoze, niwe nzaganiriza aduha ubuhamya bw'uburyo yabikoze. So guys, thank you. Please remember to subscribe, share and like this video so that it can reach as many people as possible. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane, mukore share, mukore subscribe kandi mukore na like kugira ngo iyi video igere ku bantu benshi bashoboka. Murakoze cyane, naho utaha.